And now I'll show you how to make the installation of the baseboard more accurate. Using masking tape, attach a piece of the front side to the side cut. You're done. Take 3 bars, mark the middle on each, and divide into 2 triangles. We cut off both corners at the first bar. Make marks on the second and third. Cut off the excess, and now the bars fit perfectly together. Make a few more marks and use them to drill several holes in the bars with a screwdriver. Now the bars can be combined with each other using wooden plugs. Everything is that simple. Having drilled the bar at the angle, you can still drive a screw inside and cover the empty part with a wooden plug. To understand exactly what part of the board will fit in the corner, let's make some simple measurements. Let's draw a line. And now, with the help of tape, we fix another board and make a cutout at 45 degrees in it. We put our board in it and cut off the excess. Now the board fits perfectly into the corner. I install the beam in the groove on the table, coat it with the glue, fasten the board from above with screws, and now it's much more convenient to work with it on the machine. Divide the wooden square with lines, nail it to the board, and see how easy it is for me to cut the corners. And now let's work a little more and we can cut a circle. Very simple. If you first make a hole with a drill, then the thickest screw will easily screw into the tree. I'll take masking tape, glue 2 beams with it, combine them, draw lines, and now you can remove the tape and just combine the lines on the 2 beams with each other. When gluing any objects and you don't know where to put the brush so it won't stain anything, I have an idea. Let's make a hole in the plastic cup. Insert the cyst into it, and now, after working with the glue, just dip the brush into the water bottle and twist the cap. And in the process, you can always just put it down and the lid will not let you touch the surface. Plus, it's easy to store. If the bolt is screwed so deep that the drill doesn't reach it, there's a solution. We make a slot in the hex drill, put it on a screwdriver and fix it with rubber, which we immediately melt a little. Hex screwdriver is ready. Gets the job done with ease. We set the slope of the saw with a level and then saw off the boards at this angle. We combine them and fasten them from below with masking tape. We coat the joint with glue and fasten it, attached with additional tape. Now we make a hole in a wooden bar. We draw a bar and remove such a triangle from it, combine it with our design. And install a corner on the inside. Fasten it with a clamp and make holes, and make 4 holes in our wooden corner. Take wooden plugs and install them in the holes smeared with glue with a wooden hammer. Cut off the protruding parts and sand off. Look how beautiful. And here's an interesting way to tie a bag for you. We put 2 ends of the rope inside the bag. Hold it tightly with our hand, grab the neck of the bag with a rope like this. Tighten it and we have a convenient handle to carry this bag.